Now, if a mantri speaks like this, listen in to the Chief Minister. Speaking to the media, Congress Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that he does not want war, but instead backed it for peace, calling on the centre to enhance protective measures.
ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ದು ಯುದ್ಧ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯುದ್ಧದಿಂದ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯುದ್ಧ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಯುದ್ಧ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು
ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬಿಂಬಿತ ಆಗ್ತಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ
ನಾನು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಯುದ್ಧನೇ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಭದ್ರತೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ. ಭದ್ರತೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾರು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ? ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ. ಅದು ವೈಫಲ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 26 ಜನ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 40 ಜನ ಸೈನಿಕರು ಸತ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫೈಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯುದ್ಧ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡಲೇಬಾರದು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ತಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಓಲೈಕೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ
ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬಂದು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಳೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿನಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Well, Imran, did the Chief Minister hear his own previous statement that he seems to be, making a shift in his statement now, saying that should go to war if necessary?
Well, absolutely. In fact, Chief Minister came under intense pressure after his statement yesterday that war is not needed. Now he's clarifying that war is should be done only if it's necessary. First of all, he wants to hold the centre accountable for its failure, and he says that intelligence failure has happened. There was no adequate security provided, and lots of tourists go to Kashmir. And why was security? There was a lapse in security. Questions were directed at the centre. He said that I meant that, and I didn't never say that there should be no war with Pakistan, but only if it's necessary. But at the moment, he says war is not needed. Very clearly said that at the moment war is not needed, but in fact stringent measures should be taken to counteract any such incidents in future. However, he has come under intense pressure from both from the public and from the opposition over his statement. BJP here in Karnataka targeted Chief Minister, saying that his statement has only emboldened Pakistan and terrorists, and his clips are being shown in Pakistan TV channels and showing that this is a statement of the Congress Chief Minister. And they are in fact one of the
are terror attacks. What is not needed that the blood of innocents that flows like this, as far as when it comes to the victims there and untimely deaths of innocent, that has affected and has given trauma to those families that have been affected because of these terror attacks. That is exactly